Okay, we're going to examine how to divide two-digit divisors with division. This is chapter 2.3. They're wanting us to use base 10 blocks. You probably already did this in the classroom before you watched this video, and so you have kind of an idea, but let's go over it just to make sure. For instance, if we use a number like 168 divided by 12, and if we use our, I'm just going to go ahead like this. You got to imagine that this is 100. This is 100 little pieces. This stands for this piece right here. And then we have some tens. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. And then I'm not sure how to do this, we'll try. We've got, so there's 6 tens, and then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. See how that worked. I don't know if it'll let me move them or not, but we've got to figure out how to make these all line up. We're going to do it with 12. So if I take this one, I don't know, can I turn it? I can't. We're going to take this one and this one, get rid of those, put those over to the side, and redraw them. Redraw them down here. Okay. Alright, so really what we have, this 10 by 10 is now a 10 by 12. So it's 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by 10 plus these 2, so it's 12. 10 this direction, 10 this direction, and 12 this direction. That kind of makes sense, I think. So it's 10 by 12, and we're going to just add more of these over here. If let's undo that and move. So now this is 10, and if we put this one down here, it's 11, 12, and then this is 10, and 11, and 12, and this one, it looks like they're going to line up nicely. 11, 12, bring this one right in there. 11, and I remember I added 2 little dots there, so we're going to 11 and 12. We'll just discard that one just like we did the others. Okay, so now it's not 10 by 12 anymore. We're going to go ahead and rewrite this in another color. This is really 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's discard this too. Since we did it, we'll discard this too. It makes it a little bit nicer. And I'm going to erase real quickly this one. And we'll erase this little 10 here. We're going to go ahead and draw now with our, this is 12. Ooh, I can do better than that. I know you can do better than that, so can I. There we go. 12. That's 10 plus 2 is 12 by 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 12 by 14. This basically is telling us that 12 times 14 is equal to 168. This is showing multiplication backwards from division. So 168 divided by 12 is 14. See how that works? And we used our little squares to do this. Now if we'd had one left over, say we had 169, we erase this and we change this over to a 9. 169 divided by 12, then that means that we'd have one left over here. This one wouldn't count. This would be a leftover because we can't add it to what we've got going on here. Our 12 by 14 rectangle adds up to 168. But if we did 169 divided by 12, we still would have our 168 here, which would be our 14, but we'd have a remainder of 1. Wanted to show you how that works. Okay, let's try it one more time and then we'll call it good. 195 by 15. 195 divided by 15. Okay, and let's go ahead and we'll draw that out. We've got 100, and we're going to divide it by 15. So we're going to go ahead and go 10, because we want it to be by 15. Whoops, undo. Go back to this. It's kind of hard to keep track. We're going to try to make this be 15. We're going to think ahead. Okay, so we've got 100, 10, 120, 130, 140, 150, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 10 plus 5 is 15. And now this is 10. But what do we have left? We have to get all the way up to 195. Right now what we have is 10, or 10 this direction. Ooh, again, I can't draw unless I remember to change to the crayon. This is 10. And there are 15 here. That's 150, and we have to get up to 195. So we're going to add another 10 and another 10. There's 150, 160, 170, 180. Now if I were to just add my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and say we went ahead and we did one more and then counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, now if we count this up, we've got 100. Let's go ahead and change colors. I'm doing this a little different. Here's 100, so we've got 100. How many? Ooh, 100. There we go. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9 tens, which is 90. And if I count this up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's another 20. That's too much. That's 190, 210 is what I've got, and I only need 195. So I was pretty sure we were going to go too far. We didn't really count, we just kind of started throwing them out there. We're going to take these guys away. I missed. So if you go too far, you have to delete, erase, or remove some of these pieces. You got the 100, the 10, and the 1. 100. Now we have 100, 50, 60, 70, 80. So it's not 90. It's 80. And it's not 20 anymore. Move that 2 over here. It's 15. 5, 10, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And this adds up to 180, 195. So it's not 210. It's 195. 195. Okay, so what can we tell from this? Now we know that we've got it split up into a rectangle. What can we learn? Now, get our color crayon back out, change to blue. This is no longer 10, this is 10 plus 3, so it's 13. 15 times 13 is 195, which means that 195 divided by 15 is 13. Now this is kind of a complicated topic. It's important that you know that the square is equal to 100. The stick is a 10 block. You should have done this in school. And the little dot is equal to the ones place. This is what these all stand for, and you can make a division problem using multiplication. 15 by 13 means 15 times 13, and 15 times 13 is equal to 195. So 195 divided by 15 equals 13. Okay, if this video is insufficient, I'll make another, but I think it's a good start, and it's getting too long, so we'll go ahead and quit. Stop.